But let's take the next question. It's an interesting one. Tata Motors, it's a stock that has been under tremendous pressure because of the auto tariffs that were announced by US President Donald Trump, 25%. That is seen to have an effect on Jaguar Land Rover, which, as you know, has a large presence in the US, about a third of its volumes coming through from North America as a whole. And the company announcing not too long back, over the weekend in fact, that it is pausing exports to the US in light of this latest development. It's trading at 592. It's down about 11% in the last 5 trading sessions or thereabouts. We've got Anup, who's bought at levels of 676 on the 18th of March. He's got a long-term view that he's seeking. What should he do now? Asta, this is a stock over the last 4 or 5 years that has seen huge gyrations. It has dropped to double digit. It's gone all the way up to 800 plus levels. What would you do with this?
So company in its commentary, when the results came, they were very much positive about the US business, and they were started seeing some sort of green shoots in the EU, that is a European business as well. But now the things have completely changed. But my idea here is to wait for some more time before making any sort of selling into this counter, although we all know this is mostly affected by the kind of news flow that is going on. But still, I would like to wait, because in their commentary, they have maintained their EBIT guidance. And in fact, I just want to see how their European business pan out to be. In fact, they have certain plans to launch new products in the Indian business as well as. So looking after all this, I think rather than selling at this point of a time, hold it patiently.
All right, so that's the view with regards to where Tata Motors is concerned. Our next caller, Raghu, is calling in from Karnataka. Raghu, a very good morning to you. I believe you want to ask about Alok Industries.
Yes, good morning. Yeah, I hold Alok Industry 2000 quantity. Buying price is probably. So I hold this stock from almost 6 to 7 months. Okay. So I want to know if it's good to average now, or exit in loss, or hold.
Okay, and what's the time horizon like for you to keep holding the counter?
Maybe 1 year plus.
Okay, got your query, Raghu. I'll take this up with Swati. Swati is sitting on a loss of 27,000 rupees right now. Should he continue to hold, average out, or should he book the losses right now?
Overall, as of now, the trend is looking weak, but I will not suggest to book the losses because we have seen a correction in the last 1 year. If the stock find out a good support at around 13 levels, definitely we likely to witness some sort of a reversal in the near term, which might take a counter towards to 2024 levels on the upsides. Wait for an average period, because I believe that we might witness some sort of a selling pressure, which will drag a counter towards to 13 to 12 levels. So at that level, you can definitely average out. So your buying price will come down. And if you're getting any rise towards to 20 to 25 levels, you can book your profits.
All right. I'm just clarifying while I'm on the chat, right? We've got Rajesh, who's writing in from Dubai. And he says that he's been accumulating HDFC Bank, and now cumulatively over the course of 30 years, he's accumulated, wait for it, 56,000 shares. At the current value at 1,762, the accumulated value of that is about, I got my calculator out, 9.9 crore rupees. I've told him on chat that he doesn't really need guidance because he's accumulated a significant amount of wealth purely by dint of adding to his positions, and this is over a period of 30 years. Remember that. But Asta, over the course of the next 12 to 18 months, he's asking for what your outlook on the stock is, and based on the fundamentals, right? So this is an individual who's already holding 10 crore worth of HDFC Bank. He's seeking advice. I've said that he doesn't need it, but what advice would you give?
Yes, you are right, Alex. And congratulations, first of all. So now talking about this counter, first of all, their results, business updates have come in which credit growth was very good, deposit growth was good. And in fact, what I have seen is that their deposit growth have outpaced the industry peers. So it was very, very strong. So I think, and this bank has a potential to move upside from here on the basis of kind of business outlook the bank is giving, because their asset quality is among one of the best asset quality, and NIMs are also at a very good level. So 2,000 to 2,100 is the price target which I would like to attribute to this counter at this moment of the time. Remain invested in this counter.